Okey, selamat pagi. Alright, so seperti yang saya maklumkan, nota semalam sila salin dalam buku entry. Kalau you rasa buku entry you dah nak habis, you pilihlah buku yang bersesuaian dengan tajuk untuk seterusnya. Alright, so that the notes that I gave yesterday is the last chapter for Form 1. Okay, so write down that notes first, alright, because I give you a little bit late, right? So the first period you should finish done that, but the second period right now, so we will continue to discussing the last week exercise, alright? So all of you see the board that I present to you. Okay, so if you see the first question here, alright, the question given to you the favorite subject of a group of students in a school. Okay, construct a pie chart to represent a data. Right. So for this one, I cannot ask one of you or two of you who wants to answer. So I just show the calculation. But make sure you check your answer whether your answer is correct or not. If you have a mistake, right, please do a correction. Okay. All right. Okay, so the first thing, the question asks you to construct pie chart, right? If given the question like this, right, you must construct another table, but the two columns, the first two columns, same as the question, but you just add another column, write down as a angle of sector. Means you must find the angle of sector to draw the pie chart. Okay, so but make sure you must know the total of the frequency first, right? If you add all of that the value, right? Hold on, I count this. Right, 28 plus 32, you will get the total of the frequency is 180. Okay, the total of frequency is a 180, sorry. Okay, then after that, you can continue to calculate the angle of sector for each one of this. Okay, so how you want to do that? Okay, take the frequency 80 over, the total is 180, right? Time with 100%. Okay, if you can do without calculator, you just this one, you simplify. This one, it can be what? This one can be 9, and this one become 5, and this one become 1. Okay, okay lah. Right, so this one 80. Okay, so this is 9. Is it 9? Yeah, this 5. So then you will get 50 times 5 divided with 9. You will get 44.4. Okay, 44.4 degree. Oh, sorry, it's not percentage. I'm sorry. It's not percentage, it's a degree. Hey, sorry. Oh, hey, no. This one's wrong. Oh my god. Angle of sector is a 360. Oh my god. 80. Again, 80 over 180 times 360. Why? Because the one angle of whole sector is a 360. Okay, there you simplify. If you can simplify. Okay, this one you will get 1. This one you will get 2. Okay, then your answer is, you become 160 degree. Kalau saya salah cakap je, you on you punya turn mic. Okay, because this one I don't have a scale, we just do it together. Alright, so the first angle of sector is 160 for science subject. Alright, continue with the next one. 40 over 180 times is 360. Right, still this one is simplified, you will get 1 at the denominator. This is 2. So your answer becomes 80. Alright. Right, then continue with the next one. 28 over 160 times 360 degree. 25. So answer becomes 56. Okay. And the last one, 32 over 180 times 360. So your answer will get 64. Okay, but make sure check it again. You plus all the angle here, you'll get back again 316. So you just plus 160 plus 80 plus 56 plus 64. Alright, done. 360 degree. Okay, so in total here, you will get 360 again. Okay, make sure to check your answer whether correct or not. Okay, alright, but how you want to draw a pie chart? Alright, so construct pie chart is very simple thing. Right, so you just draw a circle at here. Draw a circle like this. Right, then find the point at the middle here. Using your protractor, you must measure. Alright, you must measure using your protractor. Make sure measure follow the value of angle that you already find. Okay. Okay, so just measure, then use your ruler. Okay. So this one just draw. Okay, the first it's better you draw a straight line. Choose the middle point. Make sure the middle point use your compass. Right, that is your point. Then choose any line that as the first line. Then use the first line that you already draw and measure it to find 160. Okay, measure 160. Alright. Okay, so this one 160 of mine. Okay, so this is what science. Do not use a red pen. Write down 100. Alright, then continue with the next one. Okay, the next one is what subject here? Mathematics. Mathematics is a 80 degrees. So use your ruler, your protractor, measure it for 80 degree, then so on. Okay. Alright, so I will take a little bit time to draw it because I don't have this one don't have a protractor ruler, but using this one is a little bit confusing me. So I will take a little bit time to measure it properly. Alright, so this is okay. What? Measure angle. Okay. Then continue with the next one, 56. Right? Very nice. Right, so this is a 56 and this one is, and don't forget to level. This one is a history. This one. Right, so we already done draw our construct. We already construct a pie chart. But don't forget, right? The very important thing, what that you need to forget, please write down the title. Okay, write down the title on the top of the pie chart. Alright, so how you want to know the title of the graph? Alright, so you just read like this: favorite subject in a school. Right? Favorite subject of right, so done for question number 1. Okay, so I hope all of you understand for how to solve the question number 1. Okay, next one we will go to the question number 2. Alright, so question number 2, the question asks you to draw a line graph on a graph paper, right, to represent the data given. So for this one, you must use a graph paper like this. Okay, please find the graph paper like this, because if you don't have a graph paper like this one, you will get your graph is not very accurate. Okay, alright, so I will project you to the graph paper that more proper. On now, below. Ya, samakan. Okay, so I now project you to the graph paper that more accurate. Okay, because the whiteboard not very accurate, so I project you to the graph paper that is that usually used in a exam. Alright, so this is your graph paper. Alright, so please see your question. Alright, the question asks you to draw, the question told you to draw a line graph to represent the data given in a year 1990 until 2015. Alright, so then your price are given to you. So how you want to do? So this one, please define the skill that you want to use. If you see the question, right, the price 1000 is a 80, 100, 120, 150, 200 and 260. Right, it depends. If you want to use 2 unit equal 110. Okay, so I will show to you like this. Okay, all of you see this one. So this is a graph paper that you use. So you just draw a okay. Jangan lupa kasih kemajuan kasih. Okay, then label. If you want to assume 2 unit as 100, can. Okay, it depends how you want to label this one. Okay, but make sure, like I said before, not too small and not too large. Alright, tapi biasanya memang kita akan ya Allah. Janganlah gaduh. Not very accurate. So when you want to draw a graph paper like line graph or the other graph of bar chart, so when you want to scale this one, it must properly at the line. Okay, like this one, 2 units as equal to 1. And also not very accurate, do like this. One must here, so then continue, draw the label this one. This one memang take a little bit time to draw. Same like in exam. If you want to draw this one, it will take a time. Do not finish early. Right? If you feel you cannot done this properly. Example. So this one is 100. Okay, then continue the okay, right, because the last number is a 260. Okay, if you want more than that, can because not full, at least full your graph paper because this you do in your exersice. Also, do not too large, alright? But make sure you must use a graph paper, right? After you label this one, don't forget to label the down here, alright? So this one, remember, a line graph, it's usually from the what we call it, the middle of the line in the bar chart. So this one is this one. Right, so this one, okay, then continue the next one. Then what you have? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very small. Another line. Saya baru nak jaga masa. Alright, so this one also, forget the level, the origin one. And also level the year. Right, dan so on. Right. Okay, after you label like this, alright? So, please mark the point, follow the information given to you. Okay? So, example like this one, I just put as a X. Alright, so I just use the red color here. Okay, then see on the 1990. Right, it's 80,000. So 80,000 is this one is a 50, 60, 70, 80. This one. Okay. Then continue with the next one. Alright, 1995, 100. Okay. 1995, 100. So go in 1995, 100 here. So please, this one's a very carefully. Continue with the 2000. 2000 is a 120. Right, so calculate carefully. This is 100, 101, 102. Hey, hold on. This is 150, right? 120. Right, then continue with 2005, 150. Right, then 2010, 200. And the last one, 2000. 2050. Okay, done. Done. Mark the point. After that, what you need to do? You must connect the line. Okay, between points that you already done here, please connect each point here, like this one. Okay, so make sure this one you must use a ruler. Habis masa kita melukis-lukis je, tak apa, ada lagi berapa minit. So this one not very accurate. So this one, if you see not very accurate, alright, in exam, so you must mark as the correct one. Okay, so if not, you will lose a mark, even a very small thing here, right? After you done this one, what that you need to do is, don't forget the label, the name of this one, right? If you see this one, the year, alright, so this one, just write year, and the level for vertical axis is C, price 1000. Price, price. Okay. So this one, after you get it, bring at the vertical axis. And for this one, also must have the title. Okay, please please write down the title of this one. The title is Price of 3-room terrace house in a town. Okay, so price, I just write down price of a three-room terrace house. Terrace house in the town. Okay, run. Okay, if you do like this, just put the middle. Alright. So done the question number two. Alright, take a little so much time to do this. Okay. Alright, so we already discussed two questions. So for those that got wrong, please do a correction for this one. Okay, then we go to the next question. The next question asks you. Jangan lagi. Go again to the whiteboard. Okay. So the question is represent the data with the dot plot. Alright, so for those that forget what is a dot plot, so please fill the notes that I gave before. Dot plot, right? Just use a number line, but usually dot plot used as only for small set of data, right? To draw it, first you must draw a number line, right? Draw the number line consists of all value in the data given. Alright, so you must see what is the least number and what the highest number on the question. Alright, so define this one from this question. The lowest number is 6 and the highest number is it 18? Yeah, 18 is the highest number. Alright, so you can start this. Alright, draw a horizontal line like this. Horizontal like this. Okay. Then after that, label first all the value in the data given. Right? Even the value don't have in the data, so you must see. Start with the least number. So this is a 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So just count until the highest number on the data. After that, please check one by one on the data, and for each data, you must plot one dot. Each item, right, you must put on the number line there. Right, so example, right, 6, is there have a number 6 on this table here? So you just count how many 6. 1, 1, 2. Yeah, only 2. So you just put a 2 dot here. 1 or not here. So 1, 2 like this. Okay. Alright, so number 2 have done. 7 don't have, 8 don't have, 8 and 9 don't have. 10 is there have, 10 there don't have. Okay. 11 have. Okay, how many number of 11? 1, 2. Yeah, 2 also. Got 2 here. Okay, then continue with the next one. Alright, done for this one. For dot plot. Alright, so for this one, we already done. Alright, please write down the title for dot plot here. Write down at above so you can see. Right? This one is a lifespan in a 424 battery. So you just write down the title. Lifespan. Okay. Lifespan in hours of batteries. Why not include 24 battery? Because if you sum all of this, you will get back 24. Alright, then you see, make an inference from the dot plot. So you must define, okay, why they have a battery, alright, only lifespan 6 hours, but don't have about 7 to 10 and 11 until 18. So you not very, it's not inference. You just see like apa yang awak boleh nampak daripada data ini, kita boleh katakan, alright, most of the batteries, the lifespan is between 14 to 18. Because if you see one of ya.
Baby 很可爱。
Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so we only have 1 minute left before you start your next class. So this is your answer. So you can make an inference between, right, the lifespan. Most of the battery is between 11 to 18. If you do not want to answer like that, but you can see 14 to 17 also can, because 14 to 16, right? You can see 11. They have a battery can lifespan between 11 and 12, and they have a more ada lagi, ada di antaranya 14 hingga 16. Okay, alright, sorry, the last question, I will write the answer and send to a group. Alright, thank you for coming today, but before that, please I take another last attendance to you to make sure I know who comes.
Cikgu.
Class. Yes.
Nombor 4 tetap payah buat
Tak, nombor 4 nanti saya hantar dekat group sebab 10:50 you will have your next class. Okay?
Okay, cikgu.
Okay, so pengiraan tu saya akan hantar gambar.
Cikgu, 18 got 3 dots, cikgu.
Teacher, sorry.
Yeah.
Teacher, I can't understand the inference one.
The inference one, you just summarize apa yang awak boleh nampak daripada gambar tersebut. Anda boleh cakap, alright, most of the batteries, the lifespan is between, macam tu saja. Okay, itu saja, very simple one. Okay, 18 ada 3 mungkin saya tak terlepas. Ya, 3. So 18 ni ada 3. Alright, so 18 ada 3. So you can make your summarize. Most of the lifespan battery is between, sama ada awak nak buat 11 to 18 also can. Okay, between 11 until 18. Ataupun you nak buat 14 hingga 18 pun boleh, sebab safety satu bateri je yang bertahan. Tapi most of them more than 11. Okay, or more than 10. Okay, most of the battery lifespan is more than 10 hours. Okay, you can answer like that. Alright, so I will see you tomorrow. It's not tomorrow. On Friday. Okay, because tomorrow is a holiday. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.